Hi guys, so for another beach activity I have made this fake sand with just flour and baby oil, so keep watching to see how I make it. So these are the ingredients that I used and the utensils. First I used a measuring cup of baby oil, some plain flour, a big mixing bowl. I got together some jugs and jars just with different sizes. I got a baking tray and I also have a glove just because I don't like the feel of flour underneath my nails. So the first thing is I'm going to take 4 cups of the flour. Very bad camera quality, I know, very sorry. But yep, 4 cups of flour. And then I'm just going to be using half a cup of baby oil. The quantity is 8 cups of flour to 1 cup of baby oil, but it does make an awful lot. If you're putting it into a bigger box or a bigger tin or anything, you can use the 8 to 1, but I just used 4 to half cup. So pouring in the oil into the bowl of flour there. And then giving it a good mix and squish with my hands. So I'm mixing it all in first, and then I'm going to run it through my fingers and keep squishing it and squashing it just to make the consistency right. Once you're squishing it and squashing it, you'll kind of notice that the flour will start to form clumps into your hands in the shape of what you've made with your fist. So once that kind of all comes together, the whole thing is done. So now I'm just pouring the flour into the tray that I'm going to be using. And because I don't have a bucket and spade, I'm going to be using different kind of jars and jugs. So for this, I'm just using a small glass, and I'm going to check and see what kind of shape this one makes, and then I'm going to do the same with all the other ones I have. I made sure that they were all different sizes, different lengths, so that I can see the patterns in them and the shape of them. And as you can see, when you're tapping it out, it comes out nicely, just in the form that it is. And it's also really easy just to give it a big squish down and everything goes back to normal. And squish. And there is my fake sand. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Bye.